Good evening, Bengal family, and welcome to our first ever Fuquay-Varina Middle School virtual open house. I'm Mr. Devon, 7th grade assistant principal.
And I'm Ms. Holstein, your 7th grade school counselor. So this evening, parents will be following their schedule for their students and getting to meet all of their teachers. Just remember that parents must be logged into their student's Wake ID to get access to classes.
Parents, each class will last for approximately 20 minutes, and you will follow the 7th grade schedule that your son or daughter has for them. They will begin with first core, then second core, third and fourth core. After fourth core, you would then transition to your child's first elective, then second elective class period.
Parents, please use this time to learn more about the class structure in a virtual learning environment. So teachers will be answering questions at the end of each session, but if you have specific questions about your student, please hold that for a later time or feel free to email the teachers directly.
Ms. Holstein and I will also be available in the Google Meet link that's located on your child's schedule. If you have any questions, feel free to join us there, and we will do whatever we can to help you answer any and all questions. Thank you again for joining us, and have a fun night. We'll see you in the chat room.